Let's walk through how to deploy Access Server on DigitalOcean. Start by logging into the Access Server portal. From the main page, click Deploy Access Server or Install Access Server from the left menu. On the next screen, you'll choose where you want to deploy it. For this demo, we're going with DigitalOcean. Scroll down to the deployment options. You'll see 3 choices: Marketplace, Linux, and Docker. We'll keep it simple and pick Marketplace. Step 1 is to deploy a droplet from the Marketplace. Click Launch from DigitalOcean Marketplace. This will take you straight there. Once you're in, click Create OpenVPN Access Server Droplet. Now you'll configure your droplet. Choose your region, VPC network, and then the size, including CPU and disk type. For this demo, I'm using a basic setup with minimal resources, but you should pick something that fits your needs. Next, choose your authentication method. I'll use a password here to keep things simple, but in a real production setup, you'll probably want to use SSH keys. After that, configure any optional settings. Give your droplet a name and click Create Droplet. DigitalOcean will start provisioning your droplet. Once it's ready, connect to it using SSH. The setup wizard will start automatically. Just follow the prompts to complete the setup. Don't worry too much. You can always change these settings later. When the setup finishes, you'll get your login credentials and the admin UI URL. Go ahead and open that URL in your browser. You might see a warning. That's just because the server is using a self-signed certificate for now. You can proceed safely. Log in using the username and password from your SSH session. The first time you log in, you'll need to accept the license agreement. Once you're in, I recommend changing the temporary password right away. Go to Users in the left menu, select OpenVPN, and click Reset Password. Enter your new password, then log back in. And that's it. Your Access Server is up and running. For more details, check out openvpn.net. You'll find documentation and tutorials under the Resources tab.